So hey there guys, welcome back to another Python tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about comments. So as you can see, what are comments? Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the core code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Comment starts with the hashtag and Python will ignore them. So comments in programming languages have comments means you can type whatever you want, such as this code does this. And first you should start with a type of a symbol. And we have told then it runs the actual code, which is printing out hello world. Comments can be placed at end of a line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. So as you can see, we print hello world, but there is a twist. That in the same line which hello world is written, the comment is there. So it will just print hello world and ignore the rest of the line. So the comments does not have to be text to explain the code. It can also be used to prevent Python from executing code. So for example, you commented a code. So what will happen? It will ignore the code. For example, if you comment out hello world, then if you print cheers mate, then cheers mate will appear. If print hello world is commented, it will ignore this line. So let's learn about multi-line comments. Python does not have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hashtag for each line, like this. This is a comment, hashtag. This is a comment, hashtag. In the next line, there's hashtag written in. Then in the next line, hashtag more than just one line. And then in the next line, there is our code. Or not quite as intended. You can use a multi-line string. Since Python will ignore the string literals that are not assigned to the variable, you can add a multi-line string triple quote in your code and place your comment inside. Now this simply means that it is not true or quite true. Instead you can use triple quotes. Instead you can use triple quotes to make a comment more than one line. So Python will still ignore this triple quotes. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, comment it, share it to your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys next time. Kids Coder out!